Hey, kung approve? Kung approve?
Has informed that information circulated in the press is wrong. This case is from Ashwani Upadhyay. This writ petition is a new petition being filed. It is going to come for listing today in front of Supreme Court. And the date for the hearing on 35A has not been confirmed as yet by the registry of Supreme Court. We are awaiting the confirmation date.
Hey!